What if I told you that your so-called superfood could be silently harming your body? That your daily chia pudding, smoothie, or detox water might be doing the opposite of what you intended? Yes, we're talking about chia seeds, tiny, trendy, touted as miraculous. But 7 common mistakes people make with chia seeds can lead to gut issues, blood sugar crashes, and even dangerous side effects. Mistake number 4, most people think they're being healthy, but it could be setting your body up for long-term damage. And mistake number 6, honestly, it's terrifyingly common. Stay with me, because if you eat chia seeds, you need to hear this. Let's begin. Mistake number 1, eating them dry, massive danger. This is the most dangerous mistake of all. And yes, it sent people to A&E. Eating dry chia seeds straight from the spoon, or sprinkling them onto food without soaking, can be a serious choking hazard. Here's why. Chia seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. Once inside your throat or your stomach, they swell fast. In some cases, people have blockages in their esophagus and needed emergency procedures. What to do instead? Soak your chia seeds in water, milk, or juice for at least 15 minutes. Let them expand safely before they enter your body. You wouldn't swallow a sponge, would you? Mistake number 2, going all in too quickly, gut bomb. I heard chia seeds help digestion, so I had 3 tablespoons on day 1. Big mistake. Chia seeds are incredibly high in fiber, around 10 grams in just 2 tablespoons. That's almost half your daily intake in one go. If your body isn't used to that much fiber, it'll push back hard. Expect bloating, cramps, wind, possibly diarrhea. Start with just 1 teaspoon a day. Let your digestive system adapt, slowly. And always, I repeat, always, drink plenty of water with them. Otherwise, that superfood becomes a gut grenade. Mistake number 3, buying poor quality seeds, the hidden toxins. Not all chia seeds are created equal, and if you're buying cheap, bulk bags from dodgy sources, you could be getting moldy, contaminated, or under-ripened seeds. Brown chia seeds, that's a red flag. They're immature and nutritionally inferior. Worse still, some low-grade seeds contain pesticide residue or mold toxins, especially if they're improperly stored. Always buy organic, non-GMO, and certified chia seeds. Choose black or white varieties only, never brown, and store them in a cool, dark cupboard or an airtight container, because what you don't see on the label might just be the most dangerous part. Mistake number 4, relying on chia for omega-3s, false sense of security. Don't worry, I get my omega-3s from chia seeds. That's what I used to say too. But here's the truth. Chia is rich in ALA, a plant-based form of omega-3, but your body has to convert ALA into EPA and DHA, the active forms your brain and heart actually need. And guess what? Most people's bodies convert less than 10%, some as little as 1%. So if you're relying only on chia for omega-3s, especially if you don't eat oily fish, you may still be deficient and not even know it. Solution? Add a high-quality algae oil supplement if you're plant-based. Don't rely solely on chia. Your brain health depends on it. Mistake number 5, poor recipe. Prep, slime, sludge, and chaos. Ever tried making chia pudding and ended up with a gloopy mess that looks like frog spawn? You're not alone. Chia seeds need the right ratio of liquid to form that perfect gel texture. Too much liquid? It's runny and slimy. Too little? You get concrete. And throwing dry chia into baking recipes without adjusting moisture means you'll end up with dry, dense disasters. Ideal ratio: 1/4 cup of chia seeds to 1 cup of liquid. Stir well and let it sit for at least 2 hours. Overnight is even better. Want creamy, dreamy chia recipes? It's all in the prep. Mistake number 6. Ignoring blood sugar reactions. The silent crash. Now this one's sneaky and potentially serious. Chia seeds slow down digestion and can help stabilize blood sugar. That's fantastic, unless you're on medication for diabetes or managing your insulin. Some people experience unexpected blood sugar drops, dizziness, fatigue, even fainting, especially if they eat chia on an empty stomach or in large amounts. If you're diabetic or hypoglycemic, speak to your GP before adding chia seeds to your diet, and never ever consume them without food if you're sensitive. The last thing you want is a superfood sending you into a sugar crash spiral. Mistake number 7. Falling for chia detox, fads, the TikTok trap. Drink chia water and lose belly fat overnight. Sound familiar? It's one of the biggest lies on TikTok and Instagram right now. These detox water trends are nothing more than starvation tactics, with a sprinkle of superfood marketing, overdoing chia, skipping meals, guzzling lemon water all day. That's a fast track to nutrient deficiencies, hormonal imbalance, and, ironically, weight gain. Chia seeds can help you feel full, but they're not fat burners, and they're not detoxifiers. That's your liver's job. You can't biohack your body with a teaspoon of seeds and wishful thinking. Bonus mistake: pairing with the wrong foods. Here's a bonus tip most people miss. You could be adding chia seeds to the wrong foods, canceling out their benefits completely. Instead, pair chia with Greek yogurt, berries, oats, nut butters, plant-based milks, throwing them into sugar-packed yogurts, syrups, or processed cereals. You're just adding fiber to junk food, and it won't help your energy, digestion, or weight. That combo gives you sustained energy without the blood sugar roller coaster. And that sneaky bonus, pairing with sugar-packed junk. So, chia seeds can be a fantastic addition to your diet if you use them the right way. But ignore these mistakes, you might be doing more harm than good. Which mistake surprised you the most? Be honest, drop it in the comments.